Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial where I'm going to show you how you can change the audio settings on the Sifu game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Sifu game on your device, and once you open it up, you will be taken into the main menu. From here, just click on Options, and then from the Options page, in order to change your audio settings, tap on Sound. Now within the Sounds page, you will find the master volume, the music volume, as well as the sound effects and the dialogue volume. Now you can choose your desired level for each of these options, and you can also enable the gameplay sound effects to be linked with gameplay events by turning on extra diegetic sound effects. Underneath this, you can choose between speakers, a mono output device, as well as 5.1 surround sound. After choosing all of your desired options, you can press the backspace button to apply your chosen preferences. Now, if you wish to turn off sound altogether, then you can set the master volume all the way down to 0. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your audio settings within the Sifu game. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.